sir. Thank you so much. I'm very glad being here, sir. First, in early stage, initially I was very scared and I was a little bit shaky. But after I attended my first session, then I came to a conclusion that there is a lot to learn from this, and I got very much interactive and interested towards the projects, particularly because I've done lots of research learning this project and everything, and I learned many unique quality from all the participants here. And mainly I learned from Kajal. She's an inspiring personality in this program. Especially, she's very unique and she's very dedicated. I thought this would be a better place for me to learn more and more programs. And thanking all of the people who helped me in breakout exercises and everything, and the way they interact, it's very pleasing. That nobody had treated me as if I'm out of box. All of them had treated me very well, and I learned most important things from each one of them. Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward for another program. Thank you, sir.